In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Roblox game on your phone or whether on its PC or laptop, right? So all the instruction is exactly same, right? So if you want to make it on the phone, it's not possible because you need your studio, which is you can't do it over the phone. You have to definitely have a laptop or PC to create a game, right? You can just play Roblox games over your phone, but you can't create them, right? So this is first of all to make it just log in into your laptop or PC Roblox account here, and on the top right you will see there's an option of create, right? So first of all you have to just go to create, and basically you will come here. This is called Roblox Hub, right? So you need to install Studio to create a game. So once I click on Studio, it will redirect to me a new link. So basically I have to just click on download Studio, and once I download Studio, I will just get an option to download Studio, and once I have installed, I can just make those games on my studio, right? So well, this is a long tutorial. If you just want to make games, it is a very difficult, as well as you need to get all these steps right to make a game, right? So once you have installed your Roblox Studio, just go and click on launch Studio, right? So where basically it will verify that whether you have installed or not, and after that you can just create your games, right? So this is in the creator hub. You can just find a lot of option to create a games, as well as they also have shown that how you can just create a games and add your own stuffs or characters into that game. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.